Hey, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick on applications that you can't find in the Amazon App Store? Check this out. First thing we need to do, come over to the Find icon, pull down on your Amazon Fire TV remote, and then hit the Select a button. Here it brings up the keyboard. Look for the letter D, and here it comes down with Downloader. Click on Downloader. This is the orange icon, select. And then here it gives you the ability to download and install it onto your device. Click on that. Downloader gives us the ability to sideload applications, what people used to call jailbreaking, onto our Amazon Fire TV stick, apps that you can't find in the Amazon App Store. Now that Downloader is open, hit the home button on our remote. Head all the way over to the settings icon. Mine's the little race car driver there. Pull down once, and here Fire TV is listed. Yours may be an older device, and it may say My Device, and it might be down here. So select My Fire TV. Here I have developer options listed. If you don't worry. Select About, and here where it says Fire TV Stick, yours may say 4K or something different. Just use your select button about 7 to 10 times, 1 through 7. Now it says no need, you are now a developer. So we can back out, and developer options will be here listed for you. So we can select developer options. Here, turn ADB debugging on. Highlight install unknown apps. You may just have it on and off here, or select into it, and here we have Downloader. Select it, turn it on. This is the jailbreak. That's not a jailbreak. We just turned on an option to allow Downloader to install applications that aren't available from the Amazon App Store. So we can hit the home screen. Let's find Downloader and the 3 squares plus sign. This is our apps and games section where all our applications are listed. The last application we download ends up at the very bottom. So if you have a long list, it'd be further down, but here's Downloader, and we can just select on it with our remote. Yes, allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. A quick start guide, we can select OK. And here, Downloader works just like a web browser, so we can type in any URL. So for the website we're going to, https://www.ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. But I have a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. So we can hit OK twice, and our short code is 370178. And then we just hit go on our remote, and this automatically sends it to the Led by the Unknown's webpage to the download section. Once the 5-second redirect is completed and the page has loaded, use our 3-line button on our remote. And here it gives us add current page to the favorites. So we can just select it, and it automatically favorites it here, just like a bookmark. So we can hit save, and if you ever come back, you can just go right to the favorites. We don't have to worry about remembering the code. On this page, we have a bunch of tutorials. Check out the other videos and the apps to download. I always suggest get yourself a reliable VPN. Get out your phones. This is on your TV now. Take a picture of the QR code. Get yourself a great discount on IPVanish today. Our remote works just like a mouse, and the little red circle acts as our cursor. So we can go up, right, down, left, and here we just head over, cover the X, select it, and exit out. And we can slide down. And here we got a couple different apps. We can just select the application, and it downloads it right to our device. Down on the bottom right, click Install. Once the installation is done, highlight Done, click on it. Delete the installation file as we no longer taking up space on our device. And delete. And this app does need a player, so click on the player. Down on the bottom right, highlight Install. And then highlight Done. Delete the installation file, confirm the delete. Next application, we can do Stream. This does go to a redirect. You say there, and here's the app. Highlight the blue area, and the download starts. Bottom right, click Install. And then highlight Done. Delete the installation file. Yes, confirm the delete. Now you have to click back twice to get back to the page. And then we come down, and there is a section. So this is the best 2026, the best apps available for our Amazon Fire TV Stick. And we also have live apps and sports apps. We can try the Fire. Download it to our device. Down the bottom right, click Install. And then highlight Done. And then delete the installation file. And yes, confirm the delete. Let's go back to the home screen. So hit the home button on our remote. We can head all the way over to the 3 squares plus sign. For our apps and games section here. And here we have our application. So we can actually use the 3-line button on our remote, and it comes up with a sub menu. We can like move to the front. Some sports, move to the front. Some movies, move to the front. An app for everything, move to the front. We can hit the home screen, and that puts us right into our shortcuts menu on our device. I'm Lee. I'm here for all your Amazon Fire TV Stick needs, tips and tricks, and how-tos. Happy streaming. Peace.